This is a very short tutorial for how to fix gaps in an essay. Some of you see marked on your comments, no gap, no gap, no gap. And although that's included in the instructions, sometimes it's confusing, so let's go over that together. Let's say that when I go from one paragraph to the next, and I'm just using my essay as an example, trying to get to a page where I can show you this. Okay, this should just be 2 spaces. But let's say this happens. Up here, under Layout, let's say I add something there. Do you see where I'm adding? This space is a gap. And the way to stop that gap from happening is to go back up here and reduce this down to 0. Even if it's on auto, it can make that same mistake. So we want to come down here to 0. Here you can see it's happening there. So to do that, we simply do this. Now, down in our Works Cited, long essay. I know. Okay, down here in the Works Cited. Okay, let's say that between the citations, which should all be double-spaced just like they are here. And remember that when we look at it, even if there's only one citation, it is still called Works Cited. So let's say between these two, we have this same problem happen. We have a gap. And to get away from that, we simply remove this to 0. We see a gap here too. We'll go up here, we see that it happened again. So we use Layout and this spacing to make sure everything is set at 0. When we go to our home page, we make sure everything is set to 2 spaces, unless I've given you instructions to do 1.5 space, which sometimes happens. But this is where you set the spacing for your essay. This is where you make sure there are no gaps. All of this should be at 0.